Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. To begin, open the Wallet app on your device, which is identifiable by its distinct black and white icon. Tap the plus sign in the upper right corner to add a new card. Then follow the on-screen prompts to input your card details or scan your physical card. Your bank may require an additional verification step, like a one-time passcode, before your card is ready for use. This secure process keeps your financial information protected. When you are ready to pay at a store, simply double-click the side button on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. Your default card will then appear on the screen, ready for use. Glance at your phone for Face ID authentication, or place your finger on the Touch ID sensor if applicable, or input your passcode. Then, hold the top of your iPhone near the contactless payment reader until you see Done, and a check mark on your display indicating a successful transaction. Using Apple Pay for online shopping or within your favorite apps streamlines the checkout process significantly. When you are ready to complete a purchase, simply select the Apple Pay option at the payment screen. Confirm your payment using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode, just as you would in a physical store. All your shipping and billing details stored in Wallet will be securely applied, making transactions swift and effortless. This integration saves you valuable time and enhances security. Apple Pay offers robust security features, giving you peace of mind with every purchase. Should your iPhone 16 Pro Max ever be lost or stolen, you can use the Find My app from another Apple device or a web browser to immediately suspend or remove your cards from Apple Pay. This ensures no unauthorized transactions can occur. Furthermore, your real card number is never transmitted during payments, adding an extra layer of privacy by using a unique, encrypted transaction code instead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.